Hello friends, once again I am here for you with a new exercise 13.4 related to the sphere and that is related to the chapter 13 surface area and volume. Okay, so without wasting time we are starting the chapter or exercise 13.4 question number first. But before this, here is a notification. Assume pi is equal to 22.7 unless stated otherwise. Means if you don't have any information, additional information regarding to the pi, then you have to put the value of pi is equal to 22.7. So let's start. Question number first is there. Find the surface area of a sphere of radius. I told you in the beginning of this chapter, surface area of a sphere means CSA or TSA of a sphere will be equals to, means you can say surface area 4 pi r square. Radius is there 10.5, 5.6 and 14 centimeter. There are the three part of first question. So I will tell you one and that both of or remaining two will be for yours. Okay. To SA means surface area is equals to 4, pi is equal to 22.7 and this is the question number first, and r square is equal to 10.5 square. It means you have to put 10.5 two times, means like this 10.5 multiplication by 10.5. Remove the decimal and put the 10 below the value. Now cross it from 7 15 times. Now 5 to the 10, 5 1 is 5, 5 to the 10 and 2 say 11 times cross. Enough. Now 4 into 11 into 15 into 21 upon 10. So how much? 15 to the 30, 15 to the 30, 34 the 120. Cancel. What? Cancel. Now 12 into 11, 132 centimeter square your answer. Okay. Now the both partitions for you. You have to solve yourself. Question number second is there. Second it means find the total surface area or surface area. Find the surface area of the sphere of the diameter now is given. So simple, radius 7, radius 10.5 and the radius 1.25. Okay. Now first is there same pi r square, what? Surface area of sphere 4 into pi into r square, cancel out 7 4s are 28, 7 4s are 28. Now this is the short trick of the multiplication. 22 means 11 into 2. 28 double 56 into 11 like this, 6 6 and 5 11, 6 answer. Without actual multiplication we can solve these all the questions by the short trick. Okay, your answer is there. Second and third for you once again. Now question number third is there. Third, find the total surface area of the hemisphere of radius 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter radius. Now the TSA of hemisphere. TSA of hemisphere is equals to 3 pi r square, 3 pi r square. Use pi is equal to 3.14. Now 3 into 3.14 into r means 10 into 10. Remove the decimal once again. 0, 0, 0, 0. Now 3, 1, 4 into 3. 3 4s are 12. 1 carry 3, 1 is 3 plus 1, 4 and 3 3s are 9. Your answer. Okay. Question number 4. The radius of a spherical balloon increases from 7 centimeter to 14 centimeter. Means you have a balloon. If you blow air in the balloon, then the radius will be increases from 7 to 14. As air is being pumped into it, find the ratio of the surface area of the balloon in the two cases. Now balloon is means sphere you have. Find the ratio. Find the ratio of surface area. So SA1, SA2, surface area first, surface area second, 4 pi r square and 4 pi r square. First r, second r, 4 pi cancel out. First r is 7 square, 7 centimeter square and 14 centimeter whole square. Now 7 into 7, 14 into 14, 7 manja 7, 7 to the 14, 7 manja 7, 7 to the 14. It means simple. Your answer 1:4 will be your answer. Now question number 5th. Question number 5th is there. A hemispherical bowl made of a brass has inner diameter 10.5 centimeter. Find the cost of tin plating it on the inside at the rate of 16 per 100 centimeter square. Okay, hemisphere bowl, brass has inner diameter 10.5 inner diameter. Okay, and plating on the inside also. So you have to calculate the surface area, not the total surface area, only and only inner means only CSA, curved surface area of hemisphere. So CSA of hemisphere 2 pi r square. 2 pi r square. Now 2 as it is, pi is equals to 22.7, r is equals to 10.5, the diameter. Now like this. Now the cost. Now the cost into rate. Okay. Now remove the decimal, same thing, and after this cross. 7 manja 7, 7 5s are 35, 15 7 ja 105, and now 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 1 ja 4, 4 5s are 20. Now 5 1 ja 5, 5 3s are 15, and 5 1 ja 5, 5 2s are 10, and 5 1 ja 5. Means 2 into 22 into 3 into 21 enough, and 100. And 100. Now 3 2s are 6, 6 21s are 6 21 ja 160, 126 into 22 upon 100. Once again we will use short trick. 11 into 2 into 1 to 6. Double of 1 to 6 to 1 get 2, 6 8 12 5 2 252 into 11. Now first is 2 5 to 7 5 to 7 and 2 your answer. This is rupees. This is rupees. Okay, solve this. Next question number is there, question number 6. Question number 6 is there. Find the radius of a sphere. Find the radius of a sphere whose surface area is given 154. Where is the surface area of the sphere? Surface area 4 pi r square is given how much? 154. 154 centimeter square is equals to 4 pi r square. Now you have to find out that what? Radius. Radius 154 4 7 upon 22 your answer. देखिए 2 से सॉरी 4 से और 2 से 2 2 जा 4 2 7 जा 14 and 2 7 जा 14 11 2 जा 11 7 जा 11 2 जा and 11 7 जा. Now 7 7 49 and 2 2 4 r square. Remove the square and your answer is there. 3.5 centimeter is your answer. Okay. Next question is there. Question number 7 is there. Okay. 7 means the diameter of a moon. The diameter of a moon of the moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of Earth. Simple is there because Earth is bigger than the moon. Find the ratio of their surface area. Both are in the shape of the sphere. So the surface area will be equals to 4 pi r square. Same. Surface area of moon. Surface area of Earth. Okay. Surface area of Earth. Now moon 4 pi r square and 4 pi r square. Find the ratio of their surface area. First is moon, second is Earth. 4 pi cancel out. R square 1/4 is there. If this is 1, it will be 1/4. This is 1 and it will be 1/4 of the diameter of the suppose this is moon, this is Earth and we are talking about the diameter. This is 1, this is 1/4. This is diameter. Now radius, it will be half. It will be half. It means 1/8, 1/2, that will be radius. It will be radius. Because suppose that the diameter of the Earth is 1, then the radius will be 1/2. And the diameter of the moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of the Earth, means 1/4, then the radius will be 1/4 into 1/2 means 1/8. Now 1/64 and 1/4. Now cross multiplication 4 is there. 64 is there. 4 1 ja 4 and 4. How much? 4 1 ja 4. and 6. 1:60 in the surface area means moon's surface area will be shorter or smaller than the surface area of the earth. Got it? Next, question number 8. Question number 8. A hemispherical ball is made of the steel 0.2525 centimeter thickness. The inner radius of the ball is 5 centimeter. Radius. Find the outer surface area of the ball. Outer surface area of the ball. Okay. So no need to 0.5 centimeter thickness. I hope so. I think so. Like this is like this. A hemispherical ball is made of a steel 0.25 centimeter thickness. Okay, 0.25 centimeter thickness. The inner radius is only 5 centimeter. Find the outer curved surface area. Outer curved surface area of a hemisphere. To CSA of hemisphere. You know very well 2 pi r square. Solve 2 pi r. Now we have the inner radius. So outer radius will be 5 plus 0.25. 5.25. Remove the decimal. Then now cross 25 to the 50, remaining is 2, means carry 25 1 ja 25. Okay, now 25 4s are, and same thing is there, 4. 7 3s are 21, 7 3s are 21, 2 2s are 4, 2 11s are 22. Now 11 into 3 into 21, 4 only. 11 into 3 into 21, 4. Anything else? No. So 11, short trick. 21 into 3, 63 into 11, 63 into 11. Say this, 63 into 11. First of all 3, 6 and 3, 9. Last is 3, 6. Now 4 is there in the division. 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 4 1 ja 4. 4 1 ja 4, 2 carry 29, 4 7 ja 28, 1 carry 4 3 ja 12, 13, 1 carry 4 2 ja 8, 2 carry 4 5 ja 20. 173.25 is your answer of question number 8. Okay. Now question number 9 is there, and this is the last question for today of exercise 13.4. 9 is there. A red circular cylinder just enclosed a sphere. Right circular cylinder. We have talked about the cylinder. Enclose a sphere of radius r. This r, radius. Okay, no problem. Find the surface area of the sphere. Very easy. Surface area. Surface area of sphere. Surface area of the sphere, you know very well, 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square. First is solve. Surface area of the sphere, 4 pi r square, solve. Curved surface area of the cylinder. Curved surface area of the cylinder. CSA of Slender. 2 pi RH? No. According to this question, formula of slender, yes. Okay? But we have to solve like this according to this question. So we have to change 2 pi R H. No. This is R. This is R of sphere. R plus R is H, means 2R. Means 2R is equals to H. Now 2 to 4 pi as it is R into R square. Question number second, solve. 4 pi s square. Ratio of the area obtained in first and second. First is 4 pi r square, second is 4 pi r square. The ratio will be 1:1. Solve this, all the 3 partitions. Very easy it was. I hope so you have understand. I hope you have stood these exercise very easy going. So tomorrow we will meet with the new exercise, or we will be continue of this chapter 13.5 exercise. Okay children, bye bye.